Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to all the students. Students, yesterday I told you that now every day I will present the daily report of online lectures, how many views, how many minutes the lectures have been viewed by the students. Students, I have prepared something here. It's a report. Now you can see here, I'm explaining, I mean to say that in such a way that you can compare the different days also. Students, listen here. Class 8, Class 9, Class 10, Class 12 Science and 12 Commerce. Now on 2nd June, when we have started our online lectures again, Class 8, different subjects were there, uploaded lectures. Yesterday in my lecture I also told you about the subjects on 2nd June, and still if you have doubts you can see the timetable also. On 2nd June we have uploaded 3 to 4 subject lectures for class 8. 70% students have, or 70% people have viewed the lectures. 70%. That is on 2nd June. But till today, comparing to the 2nd June, from 70% it has gone to 85%. So 15% increase. What I am explaining you right now, on the same day 2nd June, 8th standard, all the lectures, almost 70% people have viewed the lectures, seen the lectures, observed the lectures. But from 2nd to 3rd and 3rd to 4th June, it means next 2 days, the percentage increased from 70 to 85. That means 15%. So it means, it indicates that some people, some students may not see the lectures on same day, but they prefer to see after 2, 3, 4 days. And some students may prefer to see 4 or 5 lectures together. What I said yesterday also same. That sometimes it may be possible, as we are having the YouTube channel facility. So students may be thinking that okay, let's not see today, maybe after 2, 3 days, after 1 week, after 10 days, because all videos will be there on our YouTube channel. So that's why I think, look at, in 2 days it has increased to 15%. So it means it's reached to 85. It may be possibility that if you see the same thing after 3-4 days, it may reach to 95 also, or maybe even 100% also. Now class 9. First day 2nd June, whatever lectures we have uploaded, 55% students or 55% people have seen that. Overall average, I am saying. And then within next 2 days, it has gone to 65%. So 10% plus. इसका मतलब ये है कि 2 दिन में और 10% लोगों ने लेक्चर्स देखे. पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी है कि नेक्स्ट 2-3 डेज में it may be from 65 to 80 or 85 or even 90 also. So at least we are very happy that every day the process of the day, every day passes, the number of the viewers, number of the students also increasing. Okay, I can only say, if we see our old videos, earlier videos, now we have 400, 500, 600 views of all the lectures, where earlier it was maybe 100 or 200 only. Okay. Now 10th standard. On 2nd June, the lectures जो 2nd June को upload हुए थे 10th standard के लिए, almost 75% students have seen on an average, where it has increased to 80%. 5% increase हुआ here. Okay. और 12 साइंस, जो मैंने कल भी बताया था कि जो लेक्चर 2nd जून को अपलोड हुए हैं, 80% ने व्यू किए थे 2nd जून को ही. And right now if I see the number, it is 84%. Extremely sorry. It is 84%. So from 80 to 84, it is 4% increase. Now 12 commerce, little bit disappointed that day. 2nd जून को सिर्फ 50% स्टूडेंट्स या 50% पीपल ने लेक्चर्स व्यू किए थे, देखे थे. Now it is 65%. So from 2nd June to 4th June, within this 1.5 or 2 days 15% more extra. So this is also very good. It means you see all the numbers here. इसका मतलब ये है maybe some teachers or some maybe even students or some directly related people उनको लगता है कि व्यू शायद कम हो या maybe ना हो, लेकिन वो जब जब डे पास हो रहा है नंबर्स परसेंटेज आपके इंक्रीज होते हैं. मैंने फिर से आपको बोला स्टूडेंट्स की मेंटालिटी है कि वीडियो तो वहां पे रहने वाले हैं, तो 2-4 दिन के बाद भी वो ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं या करते होंगे. ओके, नाउ ये तो 2 जून के लेक्चर्स की बात हो गई जिसका कंपैरिजन मैंने किया. अब 3rd यानी यस्टरडे जो लेक्चर्स अपलोड हुए हैं वो उसका मैं बताऊंगा. कल जो लेक्चर्स अपलोड हुए हैं 3rd जून को उसका कंपैरिजन देखें तो 3rd जून यानी ये पोर्शन, ये साइड यहां पे देखिए तो 3rd जून में 8th स्टैंडर्ड में केमिस्ट्री, बायो, एसएस और गुजरात, these lectures were uploaded yesterday. 9th standard maths, physics, chemistry, SS and English uploaded yesterday. 10th standard maths, physics, SS, bio, Hindi uploaded yesterday. 12th science maths, English, Hindi and 12th commerce English, BS, account, Hindi also here. Now check the percentage. मैं आपको सिर्फ कल के व्यूज बता रहा हूं. यस्टरडे के व्यूज क्या है वो समझा रहा हूं. 8th स्टैंडर्ड कल जो लेक्चर अपलोड हुए हैं 40% ऑफ द पीपल और स्टूडेंट्स हैव व्यूड द लेक्चर्स. लिटिल बिट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, बट ये हो सकता है कि अगर ये 2-3 दिन बाद हम देखेंगे तो 40 के बजाय 60, 70, 80 या 90 तक भी जाएंगे. तो पॉसिबिलिटी दैट स्टूडेंट्स प्रीफर टू सी लेटर. So 40% have seen that. Class 9, these subjects yesterday uploaded, and till right now I can see that again 40% in 9th standard also have seen the lectures. 10th standard, little bit disappointment. 10th standard you are board students. Please try to see the lectures again and again. I hope that very soon you will see the lectures. So maths, physics, look at the subjects also, very important subjects are there. Almost all. 35% students have observed the lectures. We need to increase this number, and I think I will compare today's number tomorrow also. जैसे मैंने आपको ये कंपेयर किया, ये नंबर्स को मैं कल कंपेयर करूंगा और देखूंगा कि आज से लेके टुमारो तक यानी कल तक कितना इंक्रीज होता है. So here I can say now 12th science, maths, English and Hindi subjects were there, and 50% students have observed or seen the lectures. 12th commerce जो यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई अप्रिशिएट 12th commerce राइट नाउ टुडे. यस्टरडे आई वाज लिटिल बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड. कल देखा था मैंने कि 2 जून को जो लेक्चर अपलोड हुए थे वो 12th commerce ने 50% ही देखे थे, लेकिन जो 2 जून की बात कर रहा हूं, अब जो 3rd जून यानी कल लेक्चर जो अपलोड हुए हैं वो अभी तक 70% कॉमर्स वालों ने या फिर पीपल ने या लोगों ने या स्टूडेंट्स ने देखे. So what I need to say people here that every day I will compare now. ये कंपैरिजन है 2 जून वाले लेक्चर्स का 2 जून 3rd जून के रिलेटेड. उसमें अच्छी बात ये है कि नंबर्स इंक्रीज हुए हैं विद इन द गैप ऑफ 1 or 1.5 day. Here yesterday's lecture report right now that 40, 40, 35, 50 and 70. This is 3rd जून. कल के लेक्चर्स का रिपोर्ट है. अब यही कल के लेक्चर्स का रिपोर्ट मैं कंपेयर करूंगा टुमारो में कंपेयर करूंगा कि भाई जिस तरह ये नंबर्स इंक्रीज हुए हैं ये नंबर्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं या नहीं. डेफिनेटली वी नीड टू सी द फीडबैक ऑफ द पीपल. सो होप आई विल कम अप विद अनदर कंपैरिजन टुमारो आल्सो. फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच and keep watching the lectures please. Thank you. Have a good day.